Hi guys, and welcome back to another Julie's Life Vlog. It's currently 12:19 p.m. and right now basically I am cleaning out all my makeup stuff just because I have a mess. I always have a mess every time, all the time, every time. And as much as I try to keep it so clean, like it's just impossible. So yeah, right now that's what we're doing. Well, me and my son. And my hair, like always, per usual, looking like shit. And yeah, I'm hearing music. But yeah, guys. Right now, right here, I'm just like trying to see like any stuff I need to give or something that's old, but I see everything's intact. It's just a lot of these items I have not been using. Well, I haven't even started to use, as a matter of fact, and they're new. Like the Butter London Decker mascara I have not used. This I have used already. Jeremiah! She's making a mess. I have not used this Caviar CC Cream, which is a leave-in hair protector. I have not used this, which I will pretty soon. I have not used this Vintage Black Eyeliner. Pencil, sorry. I have not used this. So that is what I'm basically doing right now. This is pretty dirty. This is photogenic. You guys can't even see the color. Sorry, guys. So, this lighting is bad. There you go. So you guys can see the difference. Like the NYX is lighter than this one. So I could probably even use the contour. Stop, stop, stop. I'm cleaning. Mommy's cleaning and you're making a mess. Stop it, please. My lip balm. I need to try this. I gotta do that. So I gotta leave everything that I need to use. Can you put this in here for mommy, please? No? Okay, no, never mind. That I had to cut you guys off. It's just I had to pay attention to my son since he was crying. So yeah, so right now it is currently what time is it? It's 4:13 right now. You guys can see I showered. Left my hair natural. And oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm wearing my husband's t-shirt from work. This is a Snap-on. Well, he doesn't work for Snap-on, but he works in a dealership. But they give him out shirts. So I'm wearing that, and I'm wearing just leggings and then my Vans. Something casual. Today, basically, this is like my errands type of outfit because I have a lot of stuff to do for. Oh my god, excuse me. There's a lot of things I have to do for my son's party stuff, so that's what we're gonna do today. And oh my god, my skin looks weird. I actually just woke up. So what I'm doing right now is I'm arranging my brushes. So right here I have all my face brushes, basically like blushes, foundation, highlighter, bronzer, all that jazz. So I have this in this clear jar, and I have like these fake crystals on them. Well, inside, I'm sorry. And in this one, I'm planning to put basically all of my, blending brushes, my shader brushes, all that stuff. Like, I have new brushes here, which are these. These I got my BoxyCharm. These are the Vintage Cosmetics brushes. It's a Real Technique. This is, I don't even know what this is for. Oh, this is a foundation brush, but I don't use it as a foundation brush. And this little boy is helping me. So that's pretty much, I have like this whole mess right here. Yeah. all, guys. And I'm gonna show you guys right now my makeup collection in a bit. Guys, an overview of this is my space. So here I have my mirror and this is my phone. My jewelry, I got this for Christmas from my sister-in-law. This is a color pop where the shadow shockers, I think, were in, but I kept it because I love the package. And here I have, like I said, I already showed you guys, this is where I keep all my face brushes, so they're all in here. Sorry for my nail. Here I have my most favorite perfumes. Right now my favorite is this one by Express. It's the #1. It smells so freaking bomb. Here I have only 3 lipsticks because, as you guys know, wait, did I even tell you guys? Well, anyways, I gave out some of my lippies away, and all I have are these 2 MAC ones and this Shiseido one, and another perfume back there. And then here I have basically more lippies. Here I have, this one was part of, I think, my BoxyCharm. This one also, this one, mostly these are all from the BoxyCharm. And this I purchased myself, which are all these 6 shopping eyeshadows. So yeah, that's what I have there. Next one is all Color Pop. I love Color Pop, guys, as you guys can see. So all these stuff, I purchased it, and I love in each one of them. Here I have more. Basically, it's not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be here, but it doesn't fit. Oh, great. Anyways, so here's basically all my lip pencils and stuff. So that's what I have here. I have NK. Mostly it's all NK, so that's what I have here. And here I have all of my blender brushes. And here is basically, I got this off Amazon. I'm gonna see if I can actually link it down below, because I can't even talk. I absolutely love this. It's very convenient because this is where I mostly keep all my stuff. Where I use on a daily basis. So I have another perfume here, by Victoria's Secret. You're gonna fall. Okay, I guess he wants help. You wanna help, mommy? His face. Okay. So what I have here is just basically, this is my Anastasia Dip Brow right here, and then just turn. Here basically I have concealer. I have the IT Cosmetics, MAC, and NYX. I have my face powders there, medicine here, highlighter up there, and here is my 2 foundations and my 3 setting spray. So yeah, and right here is pretty much empty because, like I said, I gave out so much makeup that I didn't use. Here I have more stuff, you know, basic. And then here I have all my palettes. My Little Pony, which I did a makeup look on it, so go check it out on my Instagram. I have my other Color Pop stuff here. It's basically all of my makeup collection. Well, makeup palettes. And then here in this jar, I just have like a bunch of random stuff. This is just nothing. Here is my other area of makeup. I love these wipes. I recently purchased these and I am absolutely in love with these. And I have my beauty blenders, which I just washed today. And I just have more makeup here. These are more of like new makeup that I have not used. So yeah, some of them are already like still packaged. And just some of them I just not opened, like the Color FX Shimmer. No, stop it. So yeah, this is pretty much all I have in here. And that is pretty much an overview of my makeup collection. I have more stuff. I mean, I had more stuff, but like I said, I gave it up away. So yeah. The BoxyCharm spoilers, just to see a little sneak peek what I'm getting. And I saw that